Hi everyone. We have the ninth class for matrices. Today we are to find AB when A and B are given. All right. For the sake of external exams, which others also say public exams or national or international exams, we assume that they will not give you something that is wrong, or maybe they will say show whether or not. But as it appears saying, if A is given, B is given, find AB, we assume it is possible. But that doesn't mean that I will not remind you of how do we know whether two matrices can be multiplied or they cannot be multiplied, because not every two matrices can be multiplied. There is a condition. Now, matrix A is given as 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 3, 1. Yes, because AB means A times B, and multiplying matrices, we don't write the multiplication symbol between them. Yes, so intentionally, we don't write anything between them. So this is 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 2. Okay, but just for you to understand, let's try to know first. I know they can be multiplied, but I just want you to know, how do we know that two matrices can be multiplied or not? Let's say you are in a study camp with your colleagues. Yeah, one of your colleagues comes to you and say, assist me how to multiply, or okay, what if matrix A is this? What if matrix B is this? Let us multiply it. You need first to understand if it is possible for them to be multiplied or not. How do we know? Try to know the order of this matrix. ORDER, order. The order of this matrix is the number of rows. How many rows? 1, 2 rows. The number of rows by the number of columns. 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. It is a rectangular matrix. Now, what is the order of this matrix? How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 2 columns. Okay. How do we know that these two matrices can be multiplied or not? So this one and this one, once they are the same, it means we can multiply them. What does that mean? It means the number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. The opposite or the reverse, it is not working to say, okay, how about the number of columns or the number of rows in the second matrix equal to number, no. It has to be in this way. The number of columns in the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So 1, 2, 3 columns, 1, 2, 3 rows. I hope it is clear. We can multiply them. Now let's see how we multiply. Okay, so we say here 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Here we go with a pattern like this. You see, we use this n pattern. Yes, this n. You know, this is our n. Do you see it? We go with the n pattern. So what do I mean here, the n pattern? This is 1 minus 1. Okay, so see where it starts. Comes down, it goes up this way. So we start with 2. So here we say 2. We have exhausted this line. We say plus 0, 3. Can we use 2 again? No, we are coming down. The next is 0. 0, 0. Not this 0, this one here. After 2, we use here, now 0. So we say plus. So now we say 2, 1. Yeah, you tell me which one we are going to use next. Is this 0? No. We have used this 2 here. This 0 is here. And now it is time for what? 3. I hope it is clear. We have not only exhausted this line, and this line, we have also exhausted this line. You can see that 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. We have not only exhausted this, we have also exhausted this line. These 2, look at it. This 0, it is here. This 3, it is here. What next do we do? We start again. But after a gap, we need to leave the gap. This is 1 minus 1. So I know you are smart. You are the one watching the video. You are very, very smart. Now tell me, which number here are we using next? For me, I want to use 2. For you, which one do you think we are using? I know you know it. So we are using this one up. Because we are done here, so we go up there and start coming. So this one. I hope it is clear. So we have used this here. We come to this. Plus 0, 3, 0, 3. So we are done with 1. We'll go to minus 1. Plus. So we use this 2, 1. Okay. So we use this 2. So after all these lot we've written down, or you will have written in a question paper, and later you realize that you make a mistake, which I'm not wishing for you, I'm going back to figure out where you might have made a mistake, even if you are able to locate the mistake, and you will have to erase everything again. You know, mathematics, once somewhere is a mistake, it will alter every sense that you've written. So to avoid, let's check if nothing happens. Yes, in the contrary. Now, memorize this one for just 2-3 seconds. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. We go again. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 3, 0, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Do you see the pattern? Now, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 2. You can even see the pattern. It is perfectly okay. So now we say 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 0 times 0, 0. 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. 1 times minus 1 times 2, minus 2. This one is 0. This one is 3. We leave the gap. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus times minus is minus. 0 times 1 is 0. But because it is 0, you can even say plus 0. No problem. This is plus 4. This is minus 1. Plus times minus is minus. 3 times 1 is 3. This is plus 2. Okay. Now, there is also another important thing I want to explain. The order of this matrix is 2 by 1, 2, 3 columns. The order of this matrix is 1, 2, 3 rows by how many columns? 1, 2 columns. Two sensible things I want you to note here. One, you can only multiply them if this and this are the same. Yes, and your answer is supposed to be this by this. What is this? 2. What is this 2? Your answer is supposed to be 2 by 2. So forget about saying like 3 by 3 rows, 3 columns. Your answer is supposed to be this by this. And what is this by this? Is 2 by 2. The final answer is supposed to be 2 by 2. And that's what we are coming to get. So 2 plus 0 plus 6 is 8. Minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 minus 0, 1 plus 4 is 5. minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So this is what we have for lesson 9. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See my next video.